Hello everybody, welcome to Mama Elisa's Kitchen Magic. Tonight I am going to show you how to make the best leftover chicken you've ever tasted. I have my oil getting hot right here now. First thing we're going to do is add in these delicious onions and peppers. I have jalapenos in there, and I also have bell pepper. If you don't like the spice, you can leave the jalapenos out. Let that fry up until it's nice and soft. Turn it a little bit. Those onions are looking good now. Nice and translucent. Nice and so good. Now we're going to add leftover chicken, lemon pepper chicken I made last night. If you look, you'll see the recipe on my channel. Added in all that juice, butter, and the chicken broth I used. Cherry tomatoes, I sliced them up. And look at that. This is the best leftover meal you'll ever taste. When you bake chicken. And then you just serve it over rice. Or potatoes. Whatever you may like. Turn the heat down to low. Look at that bubbling up. And cover it. And leave it on simmer for about 20 minutes. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, we're back and the chicken is done. Just turn the heat off. Well, I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe and comment. And let me know how you like it if you try it. Have a great day.